You guys are watching. Anybody want to jump on the back? On the roof?
You look good, President.
Hey guys.
So this is our first stop. I think they'd like to have us on this side.
Right now, they're decking the res out. There's about 7 bolts per side, and then 4 per side from the top down, which is why we didn't have the seats in.
Hold on, wait a minute. I didn't bet button on time for the gutter.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us. We are so honored that President Biden is here as General Motors and our nation make positive strides toward a future with more jobs in the U.S. and zero emissions. Factory Zero is the first of many GM facilities that will produce our all-new generation of electric vehicles powered by the Ultium platform. I have been awaiting this day ever since we announced this massive and historic plant's transformation 2 years ago. I really want to recognize our talented and dedicated employees, our GM team members, because they are why we are here today. So thank you. Nearly 20 years ago, when I had the privilege of being the plant manager here, I could not have imagined the role it would play someday in charting the future of transportation. It's exciting to know that in 2 years, Factory Zero will have doubled the number of employees it had prior to its retooling, over 2,000 employees, and it sets the stage for what's to come here and at many other GM facilities in the United States that will be transformed to support the production of full electric vehicles. Factory Zero showcases the competitive advantage of our skilled manufacturing GM team members and all of our capabilities. It's a model for our commitment to build our zero emissions future by renovating existing facilities to save both time and money. And it's also a significant milestone as we make our products and operations carbon neutral by 2040. Beyond our company, this plant represents a promising new chapter for Detroit and Hamtramck and the state of Michigan. Above all, Factory Zero is an American electric vehicle factory built on General Motors' legacy of innovation. Detroit has been our headquarters for more than a century, and we are equally determined to make it a vital part of our future.
Good afternoon. I am Yolanda Passament, the UAW Communications Coordinator here at Factory Zero. When I first started at this plant, I was lucky enough to work with my dad, who worked here for 30 years before he retired. I am thrilled on behalf of the membership of UAW Local 22, the entire Factory Zero team, and all of us at General Motors to welcome the President of the United States, Joe Biden.
Hello, Detroit. It's great to be back. So, now let me begin. God, it's good to be back in Detroit. And that Hummer's one hell of a vehicle, man. Yo! 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Whoa! I want to thank the team here at GM, especially to your chairwoman, Mary Barry. Mary, you're an incredible leader. You really are. Thank you for hosting us at the very same facility where you once served as a plant manager. I believe Mary gotten a promotion or two since then. The first ever all-electric Hummer, which I first got to check out back in August when GM brought one to the White House lawn. Masterpieces of modern manufacturing, built by union workers, and proof that America has what it takes to win the competition of the 21st century. You know how critical it is? Mary, I can remember talking to you way back in January about the need for America to lead in electric vehicles. You changed the whole story, Mary, wherever you are. There you are. You did, Mary. You electrified the entire automobile industry. I'm serious. You led, and it matters. And a few weeks ago, GM announced it's going to install 40,000 public charging stations, as we're going to unleash a lot more than that. Look, we're going to make sure that the jobs of the future end up here in Michigan, not halfway around the world. You know, that means that here in Detroit, you're going to set a new pace for electric vehicles. This is not hyperbole, this is a fact.